Keep on watching to see how I achieve this bomb braid out. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to be trying some brand new products from Naturalist Divine. Stay tuned. So Naturalist Divine is a small black-owned, small female black-owned business that you should definitely support. I will put all of the information for this brand in the description box. This brand does offer hair care as well as skincare products. In today's video, I will be showcasing the Naturalist Divine Castor Oil Growth Butter, which contains shea butter, castor oil, avocado oil, rosemary oil, and peppermint oil. All ingredients that I can read. So let's take a look at what this butter looks like. And it says this butter is to strengthen the hair from the roots. Has like a minty smell. It's a green butter. Pretty thick, but nice and creamy and very moisturizing, as you can see. Definitely excited to try this. And then I'm going to be using the Ayurvedic hair growth oil, which is made with grapeseed oil, avocado oil, castor oil, horsetail, burdock root, amla, brahmi, moringa, hibiscus, rosemary, fenugreek, tea tree, and parfum. Again, all ingredients that I can read. And let's just get into this oil. How beautiful is that? So I am going to be pairing these two products together to do a braid out. So this is my second time doing a braid out. Very excited about it. The first time I did a braid out, I'll link that video in the cards above. That one I did small braids. I think this time I'm going to do medium to large size braids. So let's get right into it. I went ahead and braided up the back section of my hair. Again, I'm working in medium size sections. So this is my second time doing a braid out, and I'm kind of feeling it at this point. I think I'm kind of getting it. Might be saying goodbye to the twist outs. I don't know, we'll see. But let's get into styling. So I'm just going to take down the front portion of my hair, and I think I'm going to do a side part. So I'm gonna go ahead and part our hair. So we're gonna do a side part. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this section here. And I'm gonna do this in two. Let's make this a little bit, not that small. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna go in first with our castor oil growth butter. This butter is so moisturizing. I'm using this much. Warming it up in my hands. And then we're gonna go with some go in with some of the Ayurvedic growth oil. So we're gonna put a little bit on our scalp. And we're gonna put some on our hair as well. Definitely see the shine. So I'm gonna go in with our brush and detangle. And I am working on damp hair, so it's not wet, not dry. It's just right in the middle. So I'm gonna split this in half. This is going to be 2 braids. So I'm gonna pin that part up so we can work on this section. Go in with my rat tail comb to further detangle. And then for braiding, you want to make sure that the sections are as even as possible. And once you get your 3 sections, you're just going to cross those sections over each other. And I'm braiding all the way down to the end, about 90%, 95% down, and then I'm just going to twirl the end around or coil the end around like I do with my twist outs. So when I get to the end, swirl it around. And there we go. Nice braid. So I'm gonna do the same thing to this second section. So we're gonna go in with our comb and further detangle. And I'm always starting at the ends of my hair and working my way up when detangling. And I do that when I'm using a brush or a comb. So again, I'm going in, splitting this section into 3 even sections, as even as possible. I'm still trying to work on my hand placement. And again, you're just twisting each section over each other. And I'm braiding all the way down to the ends and then coiling the ends. And I'm braiding fairly tight. Get to the ends, swirl it around. And there we go. So we're just gonna finish up this section. Okay, so the braids are now all done. They are looking good. So excited about this braid out. Can't wait to see the results. Stay tuned. Okay, so we are back for the takedown. The braids are dry. So let's get into this. So we're gonna add a little bit of the Ayurvedic oil to our hands just to eliminate any unnecessary frizz. So I'm gonna take a few drops. Right, let's see what we're working with. I said this in my last video, taking down braids takes a whole lot longer than taking down twists. But I think the more that I do it, the easier it will get. I already see the definition peeping through. Almost down. Okay. Okay. Naturalist Divine. This looks like it's going to be a bomb braid out. But let's keep taking it down. And I'm definitely loving the bigger braids. The last time, it literally took me forever to take those small braids down. Okay, so our braids are down on this side. Now we're going to take down this side. Okay, so the braids are all taken down. I am just going to go in and separate and fluff, and I'll be back with the final result. So stay tuned. Okay, so here are my final results of my braid out. The definition is on point. My hair is so soft, it's so moisturized. Definitely loving this look. So again, the products that I used are the Naturalist Divine Castor Oil Growth Butter and the Ayurvedic Hair Growth Oil. And again, this is a small Black-owned business that you should definitely support. I will leave all the information to these products in the description box. Make sure that you check it out. Hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.